All right, let's jump right in. If you're ready to take your electronics projects from a hobby to something, well, something more, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to figure out the perfect free software to help you design your very first custom circuit board.
Does this look familiar? I bet it does. If you're into electronics, you've probably built some amazing stuff. Awesome IoT gadgets, custom RC cars, you name it. But it all starts here, right? In this beautiful rat's nest of jumper wires on a breadboard. It works, which is great. But it's not exactly permanent.
And that is where a custom printed circuit board, a PCB, comes in. It's the next step. It's the solution that turns your fragile prototype into something permanent, something professional, and something you can actually rely on. This is how you go from a project to a product. Okay, but here's the big question. Where do you even begin? You start looking around and the software options, it's a lot. It can feel really overwhelming. How are you supposed to pick the right tool for your first project without getting totally lost?
Well, don't worry, we're going to cut right through all that noise. We're going to focus on the 3 absolute best free tools for beginners: EasyEDA, KiCad, and Fusion 360. And I promise, by the end of this, you'll know exactly which one is the right fit for you.
All right, first up, let's talk about path number 1, EasyEDA. I like to call this one the quick start, and you'll see why in a second.
So the whole idea behind EasyEDA is just one word: accessibility. It runs completely in your web browser. Let me say that again. There is nothing to install. You just open a new tab and you're ready to go. This makes it hands down the easiest possible way for a total beginner to get started.
But here's its real superpower. It's what I call its killer feature, this tightly integrated ecosystem. You see, the same company owns the design software, a massive component store called LSCC, and the manufacturing service, JLCPC. This is a complete game changer.
So let's break it down. The pros: it's the simplest way to start. You get a huge library of parts, and you can literally order your board with one click. The catch: you've got to have an internet connection, and yeah, you're kind of playing in one company's sandbox. But honestly, for your very first board, this is the path of least resistance from an idea in your head to a physical circuit board in your hand. Okay, next up is our second path, KiCad. I call this one the open source powerhouse, and believe me, it is a whole different beast.
KiCad is a full-blown, professional-grade program that you download and install on your computer. This is the kind of tool that serious hobbyists and a ton of actual professionals use every single day. And the best part? It's completely free. Not free with an asterisk, not a trial, it's free forever with 0 limitations.
Now, its killer feature isn't some shiny button. It's the knowledge you walk away with. KiCad makes you learn how to manage your own components, how to handle footprints. Basically, it teaches you how things are done the correct way, the way they're done in the real electronics industry. These are skills that are valuable everywhere.
So look, I'm not going to lie, the learning curve is steeper, for sure. Managing libraries can feel like a chore at first, but the payoff is absolutely massive. You get an incredibly powerful tool that works offline, and you're building real-world skills. If you think electronics is going to be a long-term hobby for you, KiCad is the tool to invest your time in.
And that brings us to our third and final path. And this one's a bit of a wild card. Fusion 360, the 3D master.
So you've probably heard of Fusion 360. Most people know it for 3D modeling, for making things you can 3D print. But here's the secret. Baked right into that powerful 3D program is a complete and surprisingly capable PCB design environment.
And this is where it just blows the others away. Its killer feature is mechanical integration. Imagine designing your circuit board and its custom 3D printed case at the exact same time in the same program. You move a mounting hole on the board, and poof, the hole in the 3D model of the case moves with it automatically. The other two just flat out cannot do this. So what's the trade-off? Well, the PCB editor itself isn't quite as deep or powerful as a dedicated tool like KiCad. But let's be real, if the biggest challenge for your project is getting the electronics to fit perfectly inside a physical object, then there's no contest. Fusion 360 is the undisputed champion.
Okay, so there you have it. EasyEDA, KiCad, and Fusion 360. Let's bring this all together and figure out which one of these is the perfect tool for you.
You know, the final verdict is actually really simple. If this is your very first board and you just want the fastest, easiest path to holding a finished product in your hand, go with EasyEDA. If you see yourself doing this for years and you want to learn the right way with a super powerful tool, choose KiCad. And if your project's main challenge is making everything fit perfectly inside a custom 3D printed case, it's got to be Fusion 360.
But here's the most important thing to remember. You literally cannot make a wrong choice here. All three of these programs are fantastic, and all three are completely free to use for your projects.
You've already done the hard part. You figured out the circuit. You wrestled with the code. You made it work on that messy breadboard. This is the fun part. Now you just have to pick a tool and take that next step to make something real.
So, the only question left is, thinking about your project and what you want to achieve, which one of these paths are you going to choose for your first design?